Dímelo, mi gente, Marco Chiraga, and today we're going to be talking about the Ondo Global Markets finally being live on Solana. This is an announcement that we at this channel have been waiting on for so long, and it is finally here, and it's so positive for this space. It is so amazing. I'm also going to be showing you how to purchase these stocks on chain using Jupiter, as well as some tips and tricks that you want to stay tuned for the end of the video. Anyways, let's get right into it. So it's hundreds of tokenized stocks and ETFs are now live on Solana, bringing the full TradFi portfolio to crypto's largest trading ecosystem. Millions of users or Solana users can now access Wall Street grade liquidity across 200 plus assets, including tokens tracking stocks across all sectors, ETFs, market indices, and sector funds, gold, silver, oil, strategic metals, treasury and corporate bonds, leverage and inverse ETFs, and many more. On the global markets is how trillions in value connected to internet capital markets. So this is, I can't even explain how big this is, right? And we see all, these are the hundreds of RWAs that are on Solana. So we have IBM, Visa, Nike, Intel, AMD, Uber, Intuit, Tesla, Apple, Pfizer, some of the biggest, Coinbase, Microsoft, some of the biggest names are on the global markets on Solana. So this is really huge. They say on the global markets, the number of tokenized stocks on Solana just 4x. And that is so impressive. They have some ETFs here as well. So they had this little Solana Spaces on X that unfortunately, I don't know why I see the details. It looks like it wasn't recorded. So that's really unfortunate. I myself was thinking about, going on live stream and recording myself, but oh my God, I thought it was going to be recorded. I don't know why I didn't do it. But anyways, they had a great space. They talked about, it was with Nick Dekov, head of institutional growth at Solana, and Ian DeBow. He's the president of Ondo. He asked them, well, when I say he, Nick asked Ian how, can they do more stocks, right? Like what's stopping them from doing 200? And Ian basically said, whatever our investors or people that are using the platform retail, they are the ones that decide. So if they want 500, 1,000, if the market is there for them to do it, they can easily do it. As well as, once the stock market goes 24/7, right now the stocks, you could buy them 24/7, right? But the pricing is not going to be 24/7. Right now, it's 24/5. So once, tokenization goes into full effect, it can be up to 24/7. So that is actually something great. I wish this was, recorded. I don't like that it's not recorded. But anyways, let's jump into Jupiter, see how you can buy these on-chain stocks on Ondo, right? So basically, it's the same way that we buy like X stocks, Remora, all the other, great, amazing stocks, but it has the on. So at the end, you see ON. So basically, if you are on here looking at anything that you want to invest in, for example, silver, they mentioned it in the spaces. You will go on silver and it says silver ON or on, like Ondo. So you will just go on here, make sure it has a ticker symbol like the check mark that we could corroborate that is indeed what you are investing. And then you could just go here. Remember to connect the wallet. I'm not going to show you how to connect the wallet, but just show you, right here, you click on the right top of the corner and you click connect. Anyways, you go on half, max, whatever you want. And then you could just press swap and it swaps. Unfortunately, right now, it looks like it's not, I don't know if it's lagging or I don't have that much money, right? I only have 0.02 Solana. But it looks like it's a little bit lagging. I will wait until tomorrow to kind of see how it's doing. But anyways, you could press a limit order. You could do a market order or you could do recurring buy. So obviously, they recommend to have a little bit before you invest. But yeah, once you do it, you could definitely buy any single, precious metal. You could buy any single stock, ETF, whatever you want, over 200 on Jupiter, which is absolutely amazing. I think Nick said that he bought some JPM earlier. This is another great tool. So it's a Jupiter.ag terminal screener Ondo. So you can see here all the different price of, the different stocks. You also have the 24-hour volume, the 24-hour traders, total liquidity, and how many tokens they have. Only 60 traders. Let me refresh this actually. 76 now. So it was 60 earlier. And the volume is about to be 1 million. So that is actually pretty impressive. I thought it was going to surpass a million. It obviously hasn't been a day. So hopefully we break the million in a day. But yeah, you can see here Tesla, NVIDIA, Silver, Intel, Apple, AMD, Gold, and many, many more. So the next, I obviously wanted to go on the different metrics and see how it's doing, and also show you if you do not trust yourself, right? When kind of like going on Jupiter and just like typing in the number or the stock that you want to buy, you could definitely use this tool. So basically, you would go down and then you would just go on like Silver Trust. You go here, Ethereum, BNB, Solana. So make sure it is the Solana, and to the right they have the Solana address. And that's cool because they have it finishes with Ondo, so that is actually pretty cool. Anyways, let's see. Distributed asset value, it has gone up 10% in the past 30 days. So right now it's at 2.1 billion or 2.10 billion. I don't know how you want to say that. Stablecoin market cap has also increased to 23%. Monthly transfer volume is up 0.70%, so 2.52 billion. Monthly active addresses is actually up 20%. That is what we want to see, right? We remember that number was down. It was like about, I think it was like 45% down. It is now 33,000 monthly active users and holders. It is up 24%, up to 61,000 users. That is so amazing. If you scroll down, Ethereum, obviously number one. I don't think, for the meantime, I don't think anyone is going to dethrone them, but Solana is at a second with, 247 million in total value. Ethereum is number one with 1.6 billion. So let's see if that changes. BNB is up in the past 30 days, 146%. Wow. So they are 134 million in total value. So yeah, honestly, really amazing. If you want me to go over, so let me just show you real quick before we go. So basically, like I said, if you want to buy silver, for example, and you want to go on here, you copy the address, you go back on Jupiter, you copy and paste it, and it shows up here. So yeah, and then you could do half the amount, max the amount, whatever. Again, I am not, I don't know what's going on. You can see here it's like routing. So I don't know if I don't have that much money. I have to add a little bit more Solana, but it looks like it is lagging a little bit. I would wait just until tomorrow to, kind of start purchasing. Anyways, let me know what you think about the video. As always, I will leave every single information here. Let me know what you think. I really do appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Let me know, Ondo has obviously, from a price standpoint, has not done the best. It is short term, like I said. I mean, maybe don't listen to me, obviously not financial advice. But I just think they are rolling out with some great, amazing products. Remember, the Ondo Global Summit is going to be happening February 3rd. So make sure to stay tuned for that. So they're calling it the Super Bowl of tokenization. So a historic event. So the Ondo Summit is February 3rd at 10 a.m. Right here on Twitter. So let me know what you think of the video. As always, I appreciate every single one of you from the bottom of my heart. I love every single one of you. Thank you so much. It really means a lot. All the comments, likes, whatever you want to do to support the channel. It means a lot. See you on the next one. Bye-bye.